Hi, Brian from Sipkens Nurseries here, and have you noticed that some of the days you thought you could sit outside this summer were just plain old hot, much too warm to actually sit outdoors? Maybe you need a new shade tree. Maybe you need more than a few shade trees. At Sipkens Nurseries, we grow the majority of our trees here on site. So as you can see right now, the trees have grown substantially this year and are ready for fall planting. So get started deciding where you want to put your trees. The right tree in the right spot will give you shade and a beautiful accent to your yard for many years to come. We've got lots of maples, plane trees, oaks, honey locust, birch trees, and many other trees to get your garden a lot more shady so you can enjoy your yard all summer long. And don't forget about fall color. Most people think about it when it's just starting to happen, but the best time to plant is earlier in the year, early September and October, so that you get to enjoy the fall colors happening in your own yard and get the trees established before winter so that next spring you get fantastic growth. Come into Sipkens Nurseries and let us help you find the right tree for the right spot. And whether you want to plant it yourself, we'll help you with that information or have us do it for you. We're here to help you Monday through Saturday, 8 till 6.